Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect your PlayStation 5 to Xfinity Wi-Fi. To begin, power on your PlayStation 5 console and ensure it's fully booted to its main dashboard. Locate the settings icon, usually a gear symbol in the top right corner of your screen, and select it with your controller. This step opens the System Settings menu, where you will find all the configuration options for your PlayStation 5, allowing you to customize its performance. Once inside the Settings menu, use your controller to navigate downwards until you find the Network option. Select this, and then choose Settings again from the subsequent menu to proceed. From there, you will see Set up Internet Connection, which you should select. Your PlayStation 5 will then automatically begin scanning for all nearby wireless networks, preparing to list them for you. After your PlayStation 5 completes its scan, a comprehensive list of all available Wi-Fi networks will be displayed on your screen. Locate and select your specific Xfinity Wi-Fi network from this list. It usually starts with Xfinity, followed by numbers or letters. You will then be prompted to enter your Wi-Fi password using the on-screen keyboard. Double-check for accuracy before confirming, as even a single incorrect character can prevent connection. Upon entering your password, your PlayStation 5 will attempt to establish a connection to your Xfinity Wi-Fi network. Once this process is complete, a Test Internet Connection option will become available. Select this to verify everything is working correctly. If the connection fails, please carefully re-enter your Wi-Fi password, ensuring there are no typos. For persistent issues, a quick restart of your Xfinity modem or router can often resolve common network glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.